Welcome to this rainbow tutorial. I use 2mm beads and 50cm of 0.3mm nylon cord. Like always, you can follow along with me and the graphics on the side. I will also explain some details throughout the video. Make sure both sides of your cord have the same length. This is what we've got so far. In the next step we have to add 5 beads and then pull the cord through the yellow bead towards the rest of the beads like this. Now we pass both ends of our cord through a new bead. This time we only add 3 beads and then pull the cord first through the orange bead and then through the yellow bead. Now we have to pass the left cord through the blue bead. And add another mint bead. These are basically all steps for the rest of the rainbow. Now we just continue. Pull your left cord through the light blue bead. Add your new beads to the right cord. Don't forget to pull your cord through the orange bead before you pull it through the yellow bead. And then pull both cords through a new bead. At the end, I add the mint bead to the left cord and pull it through the 2 following beads. Now I make 2 knots and seal them with glue. When we have our second rainbow, we can fold them together. Make sure the knots are on the inside. Take a new piece of cord, 40 to 50 cm should be enough. Pull your cord through the first bead, add a new one, in this case a purple bead, and pass your cord through the second bead. Check if both sides have the same length, and then pass both ends through a light blue bead. Pass your cord through the 2 beads, and add a new one. I show it one more time. As I mentioned in my previous videos, sometimes I like to skip a few beads because I feel it looks more appealing in some places, but you can do it however you like. I pass the left cord through the right bead and the right cord through the left bead. Then I add a new one, and skip one again. And one more time. Of course, I repeat this on the other side. The top part and the rest of the rainbow I continue like before and add a bead every step. At the end, I bring both cords to the light blue bead and make 2 knots. And we're done. Now you can make a ring or add your rainbow to a necklace. I added a jump ring and a lobster claw to connect it to my chain. I hope this video was helpful to you. See you next time.